Hi, welcome to Dream Creations by Dutchess, where we do DIYs. Today we're going to be doing a DIY with some flower pots that I purchased from Dollar General. We're going to be making this beautiful side table that you can put a plant, anything that you want to put on it. Isn't it simply gorgeous and easy to make? So here we go. We take our 4 flower pots and we spray paint them first using some gold metallic spray paint. Then we glue them together with some Gorilla Glue and glue that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And voila, they're together and spray painted. Simple and easy. Next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to put some bling on it. I purchased this bling from Hobby Lobby. I think I had to use about 3 rows of this bling, but if you get it when it's on sale, it's very inexpensive. And the first thing we do, we just glue it around all the places where we glued the flower pots together. So this total project will take you maybe 30 minutes, but that's after you spray painted and glued the pots together. So let's take a look. This bling is simply gorgeous. I love it. In person, it just sparkles and shines. And this is the finished project. See how beautiful that is? In light, it's just beautiful. So you can sit this stand in your floor, in your living room, wherever you want to sit it, and it's just beautiful. No one will actually know that it's flower pots. I also added a glass piece on top to set my plant on, and that came from Hobby Lobby also. And this is the finished project. And please believe me, it will hold because that vase is very heavy. So guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and wait for future DIYs. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.